What is YouTube all about? Hey there everyone! We'd like to congratulate you on your decision to take up this course, and to thank you for choosing us as your guide. This is an immense opportunity for you to learn the ultimate strategies that'll help you scale your online marketing efforts and grow your business on YouTube, the most popular video streaming platform on the internet. We've created this course to help you discover all the ways in which you can use YouTube to make more money. We've spent a lot of time on the platform, and we've uncovered the best proven methods to monetize it beyond ad revenue. To kickstart your journey, we'd like to start with the basics. What is YouTube? YouTube is, on the surface, an entertainment-centric platform. It is designed to make it easy for common people to find the type of video content that they enjoy, and to stream it seamlessly from any device wherever they go. This entertainment model is a modernized spin of the traditional TV format, and it is always online. This means that YouTube provides people from all around the world with 24/7 access to plenty of video content for free. Yet, this unlimited access to free video content 24/7 is fueled by brands, businesses, creators, and personalities that are benefiting from uploading their video content to YouTube. That's right, folks. The YouTube platform is open for creators that are willing to feed the platform with quality content in exchange to access an always online global audience for their products and services. How does it work? YouTube works because the platform provides an open window for consumers to find quality content and for brands and businesses to find the right audience whom to promote their offers. The methods to monetize these audiences are varied and extraordinarily effective, but the business model works like this. YouTube lets people and brands to join and use the platform for free. Brands, business, creators, and personalities produce quality content and upload it to the platform. People look for content they like, find the videos produced by brands in their niche, and start getting familiar with those brands. The higher the quality of the content, the more people start considering those brands. Brands output videos on a consistent basis and start growing their audience. Once those brands grow an engaged audience and build trust, they start to use monetization strategies that encourage people to spend money on products sold or promoted by those brands. Brands start making money and can scale their efforts. Why should you consider YouTube for business? Many people don't think of YouTube as a platform for business, but you can see results and profits pretty quickly if you do it right. And you don't have to be famous or to have a large budget for that. The main advantage of YouTube for business is that it lets you leverage all your efforts from a single platform. For starters, it lets you show and build your brand's personality through videos. Long gone are the days of building awareness one image at a time. On YouTube, you can demonstrate your expertise in your niche. This means that you can produce videos to educate potential customers about the problems they face, using your products or services as assistants. This, in turn, allows you to also showcase your products and services, their benefits, their features, and everything that makes them different from what's offered by the competition, all without being salesy. On YouTube, you also have a platform to broadcast special occasions, such as in-store events, conferences, and much more. You can also use it to run webinar-style presentations and to interact with your audience in real time. YouTube also has a self-serving advertising solution that allows you to promote your content and offers. It has some of the best rates around and gives you hyper-targeting features that will help you reach and convert the perfect customer. Additionally, YouTube helps you reduce overhead costs and the complexity of running an online business by providing you with a platform where you can host your video content for free. What's the future for YouTube business? Businesses on YouTube can look to a bright future because the number of active users on the platform is increasing year by year. Technologies such as 360 video, augmented reality, and virtual reality are going to enhance the user experience, and businesses can leverage that to better showcase their products and services. Also, content marketing and brand sponsorship are becoming the most effective strategies to drive sales, and YouTube is the perfect environment to develop and run them. Are you ready to learn what it takes to get the most out of YouTube business in 2020? Yes? We're glad you are, because we're going to get started in the following lesson. Researching and picking a profitable niche. Hey there everyone, are you ready to get started? Because this lesson is all about the first steps that you have to take before you go onto YouTube. That's right friends, there's homework to do before you go upload your first business video. But don't worry, it'll only take a bit of your time and will help you stay in line once you start doing YouTube business. This first step is to research and find a profitable niche to build your YouTube business. A niche is simply the category of product or service that you want to promote and sell. So let's suppose that you are familiar with healthy living and medical stuff, and you want to dedicate your business to that. That's a good starting point. Now you have to select your niche by narrowing down the exact type of healthy living stuff that you want to promote. That will be your niche. Let's also suppose that you are not sure what to promote yet, and that you don't know where to start. In this case, you have to start by learning where to find top-selling niches, how to identify one, and then pick one. This guide will help you regardless of your situation, so let's do it from the beginning. Step number 1. Researching and picking a niche on top online marketplaces. You don't have to try your luck by promoting random offers to see if a niche is profitable or not. You can find this information easily, simply by looking at top-selling categories in popular online marketplaces. While there are a ton of marketplaces you can do your research around, including Amazon, we have found the ones that make it easier to research, find, and pick a niche. These are ClickBank and JVZoo. So let's see how easy it is to do it. On ClickBank, start by visiting clickbank.com. You'll have an idea of what type of products and niches perform well by checking the featured offers on the homepage. But the best way to find the best niches is to go to the marketplace by clicking on the Affiliate Marketplace tab, then clicking on the search icon on the following page. Next, click on the drop-down menu below Sorts Results By and select Gravity to position best-selling offers on top. This is how you can identify the most profitable niches on this site, but be aware that you'll get similar results in other marketplaces. To identify the niche of an offer by name, look at the CAT or category section in the offers card. Notice how some of the top-selling niches are health and fitness, self-help, e-business, online marketing, and cooking. There you have it, some of the niches you can pick from. Searching on JVZoo Market. JVZoo is an affiliate platform that is similar to ClickBank. To find what niches are hot and trending there, simply visit jvzoomarket.com to go to the website's marketplace. Now scroll down to the Today's Top Sellers section. There you'll see the type of products that are currently making the most money. And to find top-selling niches, check under top categories. Step number 2. Researching related search terms. Now that you have picked your niche, it is time that you find the search terms related to that niche. Search terms are long-tail keywords that potential customers use to find content in your niche, and also when they are researching products before making a purchase decision. It is important that you collect these search terms before you start your YouTube business, because you can use them to optimize your videos for maximum reach. On Google. Let's start this research on Google. This is the search engine we'll use because a large majority of potential customers will use it. What you'll do is type your niche keyword into the search bar and wait for the autocomplete suggestions. These are the most popular search terms that your audience is using on Google. And the good news is that by using these terms you can rank your videos on top of the search results pages. We'll be teaching you how to do that in an upcoming lesson. So let's continue with what we have at hand. On YouTube. Alright, let's take the search to YouTube. Although you'll be targeting the same audiences on both platforms, It could happen that you'll find different segments of the same audience using different search terms on YouTube. So simply go to YouTube and type your niche keyword in the search bar. Then wait for the autocomplete suggestions. And there you have the results. As you can see, although the results are very similar, they can include more specific keywords that give you ideas about what type of videos you can create to funnel those searches. Wrapping up. You can finalize by saving the search terms you found by adding them to an Excel spreadsheet. This will help you to have them handy every time that you create content for your channel. Creating and optimizing a business YouTube channel. Hey there, friends! You just did a great job researching and picking a niche to start off on the right foot. And now, it is time to go on YouTube. Your job now is to establish a presence. And for that, you have to create a YouTube channel for your business. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create a branded YouTube channel that is optimized to reach the right viewers and customers, step by step, the right way. Creating your channel. To create a YouTube channel, you have to start by going to the YouTube website while logged into your Google account. Once there, click on the profile icon to open the YouTube menu, and then click on the Settings tab. On the following page, click on the Add or Manage Your Channels link. On the following page, click on Create New Channel. Now you are going to enter the name of your brand or business into the Brand Account Name field. Next, click on the Create button. Customizing and optimizing your channel. Great job! Now that you've created a branded channel, it is time for you to customize it and optimize it. Start by clicking on the Customize Channel button. This will take you to the channel customization page, where you are going to add your channel icon, your channel art, your channel description, and more. Let's start with the channel icon. For this, click on the Edit button inside the icon placement. Next, click on the Edit button. On the following page, click on Upload Photo and upload your company logo. Awesome job! Now go back where you left on YouTube to add your channel art. This is a cover image that will appear on your channel page. First, click on the Add Channel Art button. Next, click on Select Photo from your computer. Then locate and upload your cover image. Lastly, click on Select. Now it is time to optimize the channel. For this, click on the About tab and then on Channel Description on the following page. What you'll do now is to compose a description of your brand and a summary of the content that viewers will find on the channel. Here you are going to include keywords and search terms, so your channel appears on searches that target those same keywords and terms in YouTube searches. You can click on Done when you finish. And that is it, folks. As you can see, creating a branded YouTube channel for your business is a piece of cake. You just need to apply the right optimizations to make it really attractive and search-friendly from the get-go. Setting up a sales-oriented YouTube video. Hey there, everyone! We just walked you through the steps necessary to create and optimize a high-converting YouTube channel for your business. And now we are ready to move to the next step. That's right, we're about to show you how to set up a sales-oriented video. We know you've been anticipating this lesson, because video is where the meat is. And your expectations are right, because we are going to show you not only how to upload the video, but also how to apply the optimizations that will help you attract viewers and convert. Getting started. Let's start off by uploading your video. By this point, you should have a video ready to publish. So go to the YouTube homepage while logged into your channel and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the YouTube Studio option in the menu. Once on the YouTube Studio dashboard, click on the Create button. Then click on the Upload Video option. Now you are going to click on Select File. Locate the video file that you are going to upload from your computer and double-click on it to start the upload. The video will start uploading, and you can continue the job by customizing it and adding your optimizations. Customizing the video. Okay, let's start by composing the video title in the title field. Here, you are going to type the title of your video. Don't try to be too original. Simply describe the content of the video and add the keywords or search terms that best describe that content well, like we're doing in this example. As you can see, we added one of the top search terms we found during our keyword research, and we added the name of our business at the end of the title to differentiate it from the rest of the videos on the results page. Alright, now it is time to compose the video description in the description field below. Again, the secret here is to add a brief summary of the content in your video filled with keywords and search terms. Here, you are not as restricted by space, so we recommend you add from 3 to 5 keywords and search terms, the ones that are most relevant to the video. It is also important that you add an action URL with a call to action at the end of the description. That way, you can instruct viewers to click on the URL to discover a product or offer at a given point during the video, and they'll simply have to scroll down a bit and click while they're still engaged. Now click on Upload Thumbnail to upload a custom thumbnail for your video. Always add custom thumbnails to your videos instead of using a segment of your video as thumbnail. Alright, now select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option under Audience and click on More Options. Here are the additional configurations that you are going to do. First, insert your keywords and search terms in the Tags field. Next, select the language of your video. Now click on the Category menu button and select the correct category of your video. Done? Okay, then let's click on Next to move to the next step. Now it is time to add video elements to your video. There are 2 types of video elements you can add. End screen are elements that you can add at the end of the video, and cards are elements that you can add during the video. These elements are on-screen buttons that you can use as CTAs to encourage viewers to complete an action during or at the end of the video. Let's show you a quick example. Let's add a subscribe CTA and a recommended video card at the end of the video. For this, click on the Add button corresponding to add an end screen. Once on the end screen's window, click on Plus element. Next, click on the Subscribe option. The editor will insert the subscribe card at a point near the end of your video, but you can select a different time. Now click again on Plus element and select Video. Now select the Best for Viewer option and click on Save. Awesome job! Once you are done adding your video elements, click on Next to continue. On the following window, select the Public option, then click on the Publish button. And that'll be it. You can copy the video link provided by YouTube to share your video on your other social channels. But you can hold on to this for a bit, because we'll be showing you how to share and embed your video in a couple of upcoming lessons. Stay tuned. Embedding your YouTube sales video on a blog post. Hey there, friends! You just uploaded your sales-oriented video to YouTube, where you were guaranteed a steady stream of views and clicks. And now it is time to expand that reach to other channels. There are a variety of channels where you can promote your video, and we'll start by showing you how to add it on a blog post. This will expose your video to web visitors that reach your blog content through search, and it is easy to do. Let's do this. Getting your video embed code. You have to start by getting the video embed code. This is a code that you can use to insert your video on a blog post page, and you can get it straight from your channel dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard first. Start on the YouTube homepage and click on the Profile menu button. Next, click on the YouTube Studio option in the menu. Once on the channel dashboard, click on the Videos tab on the left sidebar menu. Now locate the video that you are going to insert into the blog post and click on the options icon. Now click on Get Shareable Link. Creating a blog post to insert your video onto your site. Alright folks, now it is time to create the blog post where you'll insert your video. This not only has the benefit of expanding your reach, it also helps you create a backlink that increases the ranking and relevance of the video. For this example, we are going to create a blog post for our WordPress website. If you are using a different content management system, you might have to take slightly different steps, but the basic implementation applies. If you're using WordPress like us, follow these steps. Start on your site's dashboard and move to the Post tab on the left sidebar menu. Now click on the Add New option. This will open the post editor, where you'll compose your new blog post. This should be a blog post optimized to drive traffic to your video so people watch and convert. Okay, so you are going to start by composing the article title in the Add Title field. Make sure to add the main keyword or search term that you want to target, and an actionable phrase or hook. You can use the same title of your YouTube video here, minus the name of your business at the end. Now you are going to compose your blog post below. A blog post to embed your video should be a maximum of 500 words to simply summarize the points in your video. Close the post with a call to action, letting readers know that they can watch the rest of the content by playing the video below. Embedding your video. Now to open a space, click on the plus icon. Now scroll down the blocks menu. Locate the Embeds tab and click on it. Next, click on the YouTube icon. Now you are going to paste the embed URL you got from your channel dashboard into the YouTube URL field. Then click on the Embed button. Awesome job! As you can see, the video is embedded at the bottom of the blog post. This is a great strategy to funnel website visitors to your videos because some of them will find the blog post by using the keywords you are targeting, but might simply end watching the video instead of reading the blog post. A little trick you can use to send the viewer from the blog post page to YouTube is to use the caption field to insert a CTA. Simply click on the Write a Caption field and then type Watch on YouTube. Next, highlight this text and click on the link icon. Now paste the embed URL into the Paste URL field, and then click on Apply. Let's now optimize this post with tags and a featured image before you publish it. For this, click on the Document tab in the Editor menu on the right. Now click on the Tags tab, and insert your keywords and search terms into the Tags field, just like you did on YouTube. Now click on the Featured Image tab. Click on Set Featured Image. Then click on the Upload Files tab, then on Select Files, and locate the image that you'll use as a feature image on your computer. Double-click on it, and then click on Set Featured Image. Publishing your post. Now that you are all said and done, click on the Publish button and confirm. And that's it! You can always repurpose your YouTube videos for your website this way, which will help you to create backlinks for your YouTube video and to add more content for your website. Cross-posting your sales video to your business's social channels. Hey there everyone! You've just given a good boost to your YouTube business video by uploading it to your website. And now it is time to boost it through your business social channels too. Now, you just can't drop a link to your video on Facebook and call it a day. So in this lesson, we are going to show you how to cross-post your videos the right way. Here we are going to show you how to use Facebook and Twitter, the best places to share external URLs and generate conversions out of it. Start by shortening your shareable link. The first thing that you have to do is to shorten your video link. This is an important step for two reasons. For one thing, shareable links don't look good on social posts because they're not customized and are long. Second, social media sites decrease the relevance of posts with YouTube URLs because they would rather that you upload videos directly to their platforms. Luckily, you can game that restriction with a shortened URL. The best service to shorten URLs is Bitly. To use it, simply visit bit.ly on your browser. Paste your shareable URL into the Shorten Your Link field. Now click on the Shorten button and copy the shortened link. Save this link somewhere handy so you can share it easily. Cross-posting your video on Facebook. Alright folks, let's start by cross-posting the video on Facebook. This is going to be easy. First, log into your Facebook account and go to your business page. Once on your business page, click on the Write a Post field. What you'll do now is compose a Facebook post to promote your video. Start by adding the video title as the post headline on top. Now in the space, compose a brief description of the video. Make sure to use your keywords and search terms, and to add a call to action to ask users to click on the link to watch the video. Alright, now you are going to paste your shortened video URL below this text. Facebook will fetch a link preview, so click on the close icon to cut it out of the post. What you'll do instead is to insert the video thumbnail as the post image. For this, click on the Photo/Video button. Locate the thumbnail image and then double-click on it to upload it. Now spell check your copy. Check that the URL is correct, that the image looks good in the preview, and then click on the Post button. And that's it! The post looks incredible, and users simply have to click on the link to watch the video directly on YouTube. Cross-posting your video on Twitter. Now you are going to cross-post your video on Twitter. For this, go to your Twitter business account. Once there, click on the Tweet button. When composing your post on Twitter, the strategy is similar to Facebook. Open the post by adding the video title first. Now compose a brief description of the video below the headline, making sure to use your keywords and search terms, and to add a call to action. What you'll do now is to make your keywords into hashtags. Simply identify a keyword and type a hash symbol before it. In the case of search terms, simply put each keyword in the term together and place the hash symbol. This will rank your post on searches for those terms and keywords. Now paste your shortened video URL below the text. Now click on the gallery icon to upload your thumbnail image to the post. Now spell check your post text. Make sure that the link and image are correctly inserted into the post, and then click on Tweet. And that's it! Now your post will benefit from exposure on Twitter too, which is one of the best places to drop external URLs. As you can see, cross-posting your videos on social media is easy, and we highly recommend that you build a strong social media audience to push your content there with these very easy steps. Starting a live stream to promote a product launch URL. Hey there everyone! Live streaming is all the rage now, although the majority of people are not using it to make money. You'll find people using live stream to chat and play video games, and only a few using it for its money-making potential. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to set up a YouTube live stream where you can go live for your business, interact with potential customers, and make money in real time. Going live on YouTube. Going live on YouTube is really easy. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to go live to promote a product launch URL to present your product and generate early bird sales. Start on the YouTube homepage while logged into your channel. And from there, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard by clicking on the Profile menu button, and then on the YouTube Studio option. Once on the dashboard page, click on the Create button on the top bar menu. Then click on the Go Live option from the display menu. This will take you to the live streaming page. Setting up the stream. Now it is time to start setting up the live stream. First, make sure to allow YouTube access to your camera and microphone so the live stream runs. Now click on the Stream tab. Here you are going to add your live stream information. Enter the name of your live stream into the Create a Title field. Here you are going to enter the name of your product launch. Now you are going to add the product launch description into the Description field. Here you are going to add a summary of the product launch. Make sure to include your target keywords and search terms for maximum exposure. The next step is key. You are going to insert your product launch URL at the end of the description. You will entice viewers to take action during the live stream to encourage them to learn more about the product by clicking on the URL in the description. This is how you are going to drive conversions during the live stream. Now make sure that the stream is set as public, and then click on the Category menu button to select the correct category for the stream. Now click on the Upload Custom Thumbnail and upload a thumbnail image that you consider to be a good fit for the stream. You can use the product cover or an asset from the product launch kit as the thumbnail. Lastly, select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option in the Audience section. Starting or scheduling the stream. You will have the options to broadcast the stream right away or to schedule the stream for a later date. Now, your best bet is to leverage buzz for the product launch to promote your live stream. So, you have to make sure to either schedule the live stream to make time to promote the broadcast or to promote it heavily on social media before you go live. In case you want to schedule the live stream, simply enable the Schedule for Later option. Then click on the Date field and use the calendar function to pick a date. And then click on the Time field to select the time of the broadcast. Once you schedule the broadcast, click on Create Stream. On the other hand, if you are going live right away, simply disable the Schedule for Later option and then click on Stream. In this case, we just posted a reminder to our Facebook and Twitter accounts, so we expect viewers coming in the moment we start the stream. So make sure to post your reminders before you go live too. How to send your product video to the first page of search results. Hey there, friends! One of the hardest things to achieve on YouTube is ranking a video on top of the search results pages. In fact, this is the reason why most aspiring YouTube businesses and creators quit. And while it can certainly be discouraging to try to compete and rank in a platform as saturated as YouTube, you'll be glad to know that there is actually a way to rank your video on top right from the moment you publish it. In this lesson, we are going to show you that trick, so you can send your videos to the first page of search results the easy and fast way, step by step. Step number 1. Upload your video. Start by uploading your video to YouTube. Let's do it from the home page this time. For this, simply click on the camera icon on the top bar menu, and then click on the Upload Video option. Now click on Select File. Locate your video file and double-click on it so your video starts uploading. Step number 2. Optimize for the top ranking and publish your video. Now that your video is uploading, you can start optimizing it. The optimizations we're about to show you differ from the optimizations we applied when we set up the first sales video, because the goal now is to compete for the top ranking on the top page by laser targeting some search terms. Let's start with the video title. This video title should be at least 5 words long, and it has to include your target keywords, search terms, the name of your brand or the product that you are going to promote, and video keywords. If you are unfamiliar with video keywords, allow us to explain them real quick. Video keywords are keywords that the YouTube and Google algorithms identify as keywords related to videos with high traffic. In other words, these are keywords targeted by the most popular videos on the platform. Interestingly, these are very general keywords that, when combined with your niche keywords, can help you compete for the top spot on search results. These keywords include review, how-to, tips, tutorial, funny, as well as keywords related to the fitness, sports, health, and lifestyle niches. By adding the name of your product or brand in the mix, the algorithm differentiates the title from the rest because it makes it unique and places it on top. It is then your job to keep the top place by sending viewers to the video. For this example, we are going to use the tutorial keyword as our video keyword. We are going to combine this keyword with a high-traffic search term and the name of our business at the end of the title. Let's now optimize the description. The strategy here is simple. Compose a description that is 250 characters long. Include all of your target keywords and search terms on this description and your product URL at the end. Now click on Upload Thumbnail to upload your thumbnail image. Then select the No It's Not Made for Kids option in the Audience section. Now click on More Options. Scroll down to the Tags section and insert your keywords and search terms into the Tags field. This is crucial because tags are going to help you index your video faster. Now select the language of your video. Then click on the Category menu button and select the correct category of your video. Then click on Next. For this example, we are going to skip adding elements to this video, so we'll simply click on Next to continue. Finally, you are going to select Public in the Visibility section, and then you're going to click on the Publish button. Step number 3. Verify your ranking. YouTube videos are ranked immediately, and you'll be able to check your spot in the search results pages right away. For this, go to the YouTube homepage, enter the search term in your title, and then click on the search icon. And there you go. As you can see, our video is on the top spot of the search results page. Let's now visit google.com to check the ranking over there. Here, you'll apply the same steps. Type your target search term in the search bar and press Enter to start the search. Then click on the Videos tab. And there you have it again. Our video is right there on the search results for video. It doesn't get any easier than this to send your videos to the first page of search results. Promoting your sales video with a custom YouTube ad campaign. Hey there everyone! We've come through all the right strategies that top YouTube businesses and marketers apply to grow their channels. So now we are going to take this training to the next level. If you want to get more results and get them fast, then you have to invest some money in ads. In the upcoming lessons, we are going to show you how to set up paid advertising campaigns to boost your YouTube business videos. Starting with this lesson, where we are going to show you how to promote your video with a custom YouTube ad campaign. Getting started. To create a custom YouTube ad campaign to promote your video, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard by clicking on the Profile menu button, and then on the YouTube Studio option. Next, click on the Videos tab. Locate the video that you want to promote. Click on the Options icon, and then click on the Promote option from the display menu. On the following page, click on the Get Started button. This will take you to the Google Ads dashboard, from where you can create your custom YouTube ad campaign. Creating the campaign. Start by clicking on New Campaign. On the following page, you are going to select your campaign goal. To create a custom campaign, select the Create a Campaign Without a Goals Assistance option. Now select Video as a campaign type. Then select Custom Video Campaign as a campaign subtype and click on Continue. Now you are going to customize the campaign. Start by entering the name of your new campaign into the campaign name field. As you can see here, maximum cost per view is selected by default in the bidding strategy section. This means that you will only pay when someone views your video ad. This is the optimum strategy for this campaign. So let's skip to the Budget and Date section. Here you are going to enter your ad spend and your schedules. Start by clicking on the Budget Type menu button and select Daily. Now enter the amount you want to spend daily on ads. You can start with a low number, such as $5 or $10, and can scale it from there. By default, your campaign is set to start as soon as ads approved with no end date, but you can edit this schedule if you prefer to launch this campaign on a later date. Now click on the Languages tab. Click on the Enter Language field and select your target language from the display menu. It is always better to select the language of your video, but you can select additional languages if you added captions to the video that you'll promote. Now click on the Locations tab and select your target locations. Here you are going to select locations where people speak your target language and where people are more likely to purchase your products after watching your video ad. Now scroll down and enter the ad group name into the ad group field. This is where Google Ads will save the ads that you create in this campaign. Now click on the Demographics tab. Here you are going to check the demographic attributes that best describe your perfect customer. Now click on the Audiences tab. Here you are going to select attributes that define your audience. It can be an interest, an industry, or a customer lifecycle stage. The easiest way to use this feature is to enter a related keyword into the search box and to select one or more attributes from the results. Once you are done here, move to the Content section and click on the Keywords tab. Here you are simply going to enter your keywords and search terms into the Keywords field. Now click on the Topics tab. Here you are going to select the topic that you want to target. The easiest way to make your selections is to simply locate and select your topic or topics from the menu. Now click on the Placements tab. Here you can select specific placements to show your video ads. Use this feature only if your plan is to target a very specific audience on a very specific placement, such as subscribers and viewers of a YouTube channel or visitors of a specific website. All you have to do here is to enter a keyword into the search box and to select placements from the results. In this example, we don't want to narrow down our reach to specific placements, so we will skip this selection. Now in the bidding section, you are going to enter the maximum bid that you are willing to place for each unique view, setting up the video ad, and launching the campaign. Alright friends, now it is time to set up the video ad. Start by adding your video ad to the creative. You can do this by typing the name of your video in the search for a video bar, or simply by entering your video URL into the same search bar. Now you have to select the ad format. For this example, we are going to select Skippable In-Stream Ad to show our video ad when viewers are watching other videos. Now enter your product or sales page URL into the final URL field. Then click on the Display URL field to generate the display URL for the ad. Now enter the name of this new ad into the Ad Name field, and then click on the Create Campaign button. And now that your campaign is set, review your campaign settings and click on Continue to Campaign. And that's it. Creating a product consideration video ad for YouTube. Hey there, friends! Time to continue boosting your YouTube business video with ads. This time, through a campaign that is optimized with settings that encourage product consideration. In other words, we're about to show you how to create a YouTube ad that will convince buyers that your product is their best choice. Let's start off this lesson right from the Google Ads dashboard, where you can access by visiting the ads.google.com URL while logged into your Google account. Creating and customizing the campaign. From there, click on the New Campaign button. Now select Product and Brand Consideration as the campaign goal. Then select Video as a campaign type. Now select Influence Consideration as a campaign subtype, and then click on Continue. Now you are going to customize the campaign. Start by entering the name of this new campaign into the Campaign Name field. The rest of the campaign configurations will be similar to the configurations we made when we created the previous campaign. First, click on the Budget Type menu button and select Daily. Next, enter your daily ad spend into the Amount field. We are going to launch the campaign as soon as the ads are approved, so we'll skip the schedule in this example. Okay, now click on the Languages tab to select your target languages. Next, click on the Locations tab to select your target locations. Now move to the Ad Group Name column and enter the name of your new ad group. Now you are going to move to the People section. Click on the Demographics tab to check your audience demographic attributes. Then click on the Audiences tab and add your audience's attributes. Here we strongly recommend that you select in-market attributes. This will help you to target viewers that are active online buyers, which are more likely to make a purchasing decision after watching your video ad. Next, move to the Content section and click on the Keywords tab. Enter your keywords and search terms into the Keywords field. Then click on the Topics tab and select the topics that you want to target with your ad. In case you want to target specific website visitors or viewers of a specific channel, click on the Placements tab. We are not going to pick specific placements, so we will skip this configuration. Lastly, enter your maximum cost per view bid into the bidding field. Creating the product consideration ad and launching the campaign. Alright folks, time to set up the ad. Start by pasting your video URL into the Search for a Video field. For this type of campaign, we recommend you select Video Discovery Ad as the ad format. This will show your ad on more than one placement, including the YouTube homepage, on search results pages, and on recommended video feeds. That way, you'll avoid people skipping your video ad, while also giving them more time to consider clicking on the video. Now you are going to customize the ad and compose the ad copy. Start by selecting a thumbnail. Next, compose the ad headline in the headline field. Next, compose a description into the description number 1 field. You can add a description extension into the description number 2 below, but this is optional. Then enter the ad name into the ad name field and click on the Create Campaign button. On the following page, review your campaign settings and click on Continue to Campaign. And that's it.